Hello folks, welcome. We are back in our favorite town, Charleston, South Carolina. And of course, we're visiting one of the first brownstone cathedrals, as well as RuRu's Taco and Tequila. Welcome to Travels Are Us. Springtime in Charleston is a great place to visit. You get to see all the bloomings of the flowers, as well as the beautiful weather. It's a great place to walk around and have a great time. Every time we go to Charleston, we really don't have a game plan. All we do is we say, okay, let's find a good place to park and let's start walking around and see what adventures are out there. Again, as you walk around, you get to see the beautiful architecture out there. And again, it was a beautiful day. So of course, while we're there, we decided let's stop off and see some of these antique shops. Let's go look to see what's in the downtown area and just walk. And as we kept walking, we were enjoying it more and more. However, if you like this content, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, as well as that thumbs up. It kind of makes it exciting to look at our channel and see it grow. And I want to thank you for all the new subscribers we received.
Go for
Sure.
pulled pork sandwiches.
Oh, that sounds really good.
Right?
Wow.
See if they have seating outside.
We decided to eat at RuRu's. This was a new place for us, so every time we go, we just find a new place, and again, we don't do any research. We just walk around and say, oh, okay, this looks like a good spot. And we stopped off and got some. This is a taco, tequila type of place, but look at this burrito. Oh, cow. And when I ordered a burrito, it was delicious. While my wife turned around and ordered herself a salad, a taco. It's nacho salad. And that was great. And of course, while in Charleston, we always go to the market. It's just a habit, and we enjoy doing that. One of the things we did different in this trip is we went antique shopping. My wife said, I want to look at some of these antique stores, and I said, oh, of course, just go ahead and enjoy yourself while I go out there and just do a little video of Charleston. And she was walking around, she was finding a few beautiful items, and here goes a pottery shop that I recommend everybody go and attend. It's a great pottery place. I love going into that shop. Then after that, we found the cathedral out there. Of course, there are lots of churches, but we said let's stop off at the cathedral and go inside and check it out. Wow, check out this church. Look at that. This is in Charleston. Of course, they have beautiful churches. Charleston is just a beautiful place to visit. Wow. Let's go inside. I enjoy going inside of churches. I like to see the inside, to see how beautiful the stained glass, and it's just a peaceful place to visit. And there was a mass going on at the time, so I kind of had to stay a little bit quiet in the background. And again, look how beautiful this church is. I recommend you go out there and check it out. And it seems like they're doing some renovations to it, to the cathedral. So provide some donation and help out the church if you can. But look at that. Look at these stained glass. Look at the designs they have on the walls. I have in my description, I have a little bit of information about the church. So if you're interested, just go down to the description and check that out. I want to thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now be safe, take care of each other, and be kind to each other. Have a great day. Bye.